I pray the illuminated candle gives ray to my hopes as he guides me through the dark alleys of life. I know not the future, nor do I know what it unfolds. Beyond these stony structures, behind the dark walls of this fortress, millions of wishes fly with wings of breathless anticipation. Wishes that are locked behind bars see the light of the day. The wishes are secret, known only to the stone pyres here. They say the air is heavy here, with a million breaths in it, that sometimes the leaves would murmur and speak out the secret wishes of 1,000 souls. This is the place, the dark, deep, mysterious fortress where 1,000 souls pour out their hearts, filled with wishes that strive to see the sky of freedom, conquering the light and dark tunnels of fate. Sometimes they fulfill, sometimes they do not. Kotla Feroz Shah, the palace of Sultan Feroz Shah Tughlaq, is infamous for the worship of the Jinn. They say the palace belongs to the Jinnat. The worship takes place in the dark alleys where even the sun rays are prohibited from entering. The lamps, flowers, and other offerings are removed right after the process, but what remains are the letters written by the devotees. Letters that hide the faces beyond it, letters that hide the identities of people, letters that reveal only the wish, pain, sorrow, agony, and all other emotions that emancipate the journey of human life. Countless feet fall in this stony structure. People come and go, but what they leave behind remains the same: wishes. In the journey, the faces become obscure, but the wishes remain there in bold letters. Dear Lord, I do not know to whom am I addressing this letter. I do not know who will ever read it. I do not understand whether it will ever reach anybody. I am not here to complain about my broken dreams, but I am here to thank you for all the positive affirmations throughout my life.